Wi-Fi UK just finished an installation in Acton, London, and this is quite unique because what we have here is two houses joined together, 14 rooms, 4 floors up together, and we also have a dual basement. So it's quite a large property. So we've got the Wi-Fi in both basements, and we're going to play a Ricky Tate's Dollar to demonstrate the Wi-Fi. This is the first house. Still running. And this is the second house. Now, the next basement is down there. Still running, full HD on YouTube. Still got Wi-Fi, and we're going to go into the little garden lounge. Quite unique. And we still got video. No buffering at all. I mean, I can demonstrate pushing the video forward. And just
load straight away.
Yeah, it's amazing. Do you know where? The house is there. We're here, but only at Wi-Fi UK.